Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by preparing a clean environment so packages don't conflict. First, update apt and ensure Python 3 and pip are present. Next, create and activate a virtual environment to isolate dependencies. This prevents system-wide changes. Once the venv is active, install Jupyter with pip. After installation, start the server bound to localhost using no browser for safety. This immediate action gets a running notebook server. Once done, you can connect from your browser to proceed. Now connect to the server in your browser and open the Jupyter dashboard. Create a new Python 3 notebook and name it descriptively so you can find it later. Use cells interactively. Code cells run with Shift plus Enter and Markdown cells hold notes. If you need extra packages, install them with a notebook command like pip install pandas or open a terminal tab in Jupyter to run pip. Make sure the kernel matches your environment. If it doesn't, restart the kernel after installing packages. Finish by saving regularly and exporting your notebook in the format you need like IPN or HTML. When you're done, stop the server cleanly with Ctrl+C in the terminal and deactivate the virtual environment to return to the system shell. If you plan to share, consider generating a password or using Jupyter Lab for richer UI. If things go wrong, check that the port and token match the browser URL, confirm no firewall blocks localhost, and try a different port. These quick checks resolve most connection problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.